Looks like the driver's side rear is losing air pretty fast. Well, let's see what's going on. Here's our problem. Looks like a screw. We're gonna need to plug this tire until we can have it properly repaired. Time to try out Tech's emergency roadside repair kit featuring Permacure repair plugs. Did you know 1/3 of new cars come without a spare tire? This kit is a great alternative. Paired with your choice of battery-operated or plug-in inflator, you can be back on the road in no time. Let's get the car positioned so I have leverage to push the plug through. Next, use pliers and/or a screwdriver to remove the screw. Use the reaming tool to repair the injury and remove any damaged cords or belts. Once the injury has been properly repaired, leave the tool in the injury to minimize air loss. Next, use the spiral cement tool to apply a generous coat of vulcanizing fluid into the injury channel. Repeat this process 3 times. Leave the spiral cement tool in the injury to minimize air loss. And next, use the Allen wrench to swap the reaming tool for the insert needle. With the insert needle in place, loosen the blue poly from one end of the Permacure repair plug and avoid touching the gray cushion gum. Apply a light coat of vulcanizing fluid to the Permacure plug. Remove the spiral cement tool from the tire. Without twisting the insert tool, push the Permacure into the injury until the loop of the insert clears the inside of the tire. Remove the tool by pulling straight out. Cut off the excess Permacure using the supplied angle cutters, and now you're ready to inflate the tire back to pressure. While we're waiting for this to inflate, let me give you an Izzy fun fact. Did you know that not all nail or screw punctures will create a fast leak like this? Sometimes they'll cause a slow leak or not even leak at all. That's why it's important to do a regular visual inspection and even listen for a clicking sound as you're driving. That can sometimes indicate an object lodged in your tire. Okay, looks like we're finished up. Remember, while we believe Tech Permacures are the safest, most reliable external tire repairs on the market, as with any tire plug, they should only be considered a temporary repair in tires used in highway applications. Next, you should go to a tire shop to have the tire removed, inspected, and repaired properly from the inside. To get your Tech Emergency Roadside Repair Kit, ask your Tech sales rep or visit techtirerepairs.com.